Hi, this is STUART.ZIFF, and this lesson is about adding a little bit of a jazz flavor to your blues playing, kind of in the spirit of Grant Green and Wes Montgomery and people like that. And two of the things that I'm going to show you here are the use of slurs or slides when we're playing, like, okay, playing very pure, but instead of bending a note, we're going to slide that note. Alright? And I'm going to play some solo lines, and I'm going to try and incorporate those slides or slurs into my playing to make the feel swing a little bit more. Now, one of the other things that I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you two lines that are real nice little transitional things that you can bring to your blues playing. And the track that you're going to hear is a 12-bar blues in B flat with a 2-5 change, a 2-5 turnaround. It's actually going to go 1-6, 2-5-1. And when I get to the 6, I'm going to play this line, which I've lifted from Grant Green. And what it is it's a G7 flat 9 arpeggio. There's your flat 9, A flat. Starts here on the G string. It starts here on the G string, the 4th fret on B. That's D on the 2nd string, F on the 2nd string at the 6th fret, A flat on the E string, 4th fret, and then G. Then I'm going to play this little phrase, which is going to go over the C minor 7 to the F7 sharp 9. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to arpeggiate a C minor 7 chord. Starting on C at the 10th fret on the D string, playing E flat at the 8th fret on the G string, G on the B string at the 8th fret, B flat on the B string at the 11th fret. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of play out for a second. And I'm going to sort of outline what might be an A flat minor. I'm thinking of A flat minor pentatonic. Then I'm going to resolve it back to the 1. So the whole figure goes something like that. Okay? So to recap, what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate some slurs into my playing just to make it swing a little more, and instead of bending. And then when I get to the 6th chord, I'm going to play that G7 flat 9, then move up here, and resolve it. So here's the track. So that's it. Some very simple moves can bring your blues playing to another level by merely sliding a note as opposed to bending that note. And it gives everything a completely different character. And when you start to do things like playing arpeggios and substitutions, it's very simple substitutions like I'm doing here, you really bring a new flavor and a new color, and you elevate your playing to another level. If you're interested in studying a little bit more in depth with me, please check out my my email address and drop me a line and practice up.